How's it going, guys? It's your boy Chris. I want to give a huge shout out to everybody that subscribed. It means a lot. Every time I see that counter go up, you put a smile on my face. I just want to say thank you for all the support. Thank you for all commenting. It means a lot to me. I really appreciate you guys. I got more content on the way. Things are going to slow down a little bit. I do have a baby on the way, so it's going to be in a few weeks. Excited for that. But stay tuned. Please hit subscribe, hit that like button, comment, do everything what you do. I really appreciate all you guys subscribing. Thank you, every single one of you. It means a lot to me. You don't even know. I'm so happy to see that people are actually, I'm excited to see people are actually interested into the stuff I'm doing. A lot of people like-minded like me, car guys. Sorry I look a little bit homeless. That quarantine got me, you know. But anyways, shout out to all you guys. I really appreciate you guys subscribing. Thank you guys so much. It means so much. I'm really happy. It's motivating me so much to get out there and work on my stuff. Like I said, I have a few videos set up, but I do have a baby on the way, so content might be a little bit late. But I'm gonna be working on my car right now. Try to crank out stuff for you guys. I really appreciate you guys. It means a lot to me. You don't even know. Thank you so much. I appreciate you. Love you. Take it easy, guys. How's it going, YouTube? It's been a while. I actually painted my bumper already, so it's looking a little bit better. Right now I got my rear valances in, so I'm about to install those right now. Let's check it out. So this is her right here.
Everybody's watching, they all say they know what's next. Here's a hand if you need help, it doesn't matter what you think, cause I'm still do it. It doesn't matter what you say, cause I'm still do it. Let me start off by saying I'm sorry for it all. Lost a lot of friends I really cared about, wasting 90 days, even in my head it couldn't stay away. So I understand if you want me to go. I've brought you pain and these stupid thoughts. I hang myself and spare you the work you think is gonna change, but honestly it's gonna stay the same. There's two sides to every coin, so why does it feel like a dice? Doesn't matter the road it's going against.
It didn't come out quite paint match, but it matches cool. It looks good. A little orange peel. It's not perfect, but for what it is, I'm happy. So right now, I took off one of the rear valances. I had these ugly ones right now, they're all black, and I'm missing the middle one. But I actually ordered off a friendly eBay, and they got fiberglass, got the side ones, and then I got the middle piece. So this guy really used wood screws to install. Like, he has some self tappers, but wood screws, really? That's pretty funny. And it has a little cut right here. Oh, I'm gonna be painting the rear bumper as well, and then I'm gonna be painting the garnish as well, and then I'll be bondoing, bondoing these things down. I was gonna weld it, but there's no need. I'm just gonna throw weld, or there's no need to weld it. I'm just gonna throw Bondo on here and then just sand it down and then paint it. And then once that's all painted, I'm gonna get the little one. Yeah. Alrighty, guys, it's another day and we're back at it again. I'm taking out my taillights right now because I'm gonna be painting this, and also bondoing the hatch. So I already took all these screws out. Alright, so I'm gonna be taking out these parts. Let's go. Forgot a bolt. This is right. I broke it from right there. I leaned on it and it broke. Live and learn. It looks like this one was cracked and they like try to seal it right here. See, you don't know a car until you take it apart and find out what's really underneath. That's how it goes. I did not know how to take out the garnish. I do now. Bam. Gonna give that sucker a nice sanding down. Give it a nice primer. She ugly. Well, alrighty then. This looks pretty funny without the garnish. Alrighty, so I got this thing, the windshield. Right now I'm taking out the rear light. Taking out the rear light, just to be safe. And then I got all my stuff right here. I got some Bondo primer. So this is the same paint I used for my front bumper, and then the clear coat. I think this should be just enough for. Hopefully, I just want the trunk and the garnish, because the garnish is pretty ugly. So I want to paint that, and then after that, it's gonna be the bumper.
I heard after 12 minutes of pain, everything else is self-served. If that's so, then I'm dying slow. Let's speed up the process and end it today. Not physically, but mentally. I kinda miss the old me, but the new guy's gotta go. Ties weren't really my thing, so I dress when there's no one to impress.
Oh damn, this thing's still going. Hi there. I didn't know it's still going, so I was able to take it off. I got a fucking mess. What did I get myself into? But it needs to be done. So I'm about to pull out. I was able to take out the gasket. I'm just gonna finesse it right now and take it out of there. Well, guys, I'm back. I'm removing the emblems, the little stickers, using my girlfriend's hairdryer. Don't tell her, please. Don't tell her, she'll kill me.
Maybe then I won't care anymore, cause right now every single detail has me in tears. What I used to hold so dear now has me in fear. Forgive me, Lord, but the man I am right now is something I wanna give up. I still need you, I just don't need him. Everybody's watching, they all say they know.
Alrighty, so I did the Bondo as the first layer, about to center down. See how it comes out. Kind of happy. You can kind of see the hole still, but you know, we'll do another layer over it, but make it nice and smooth. We'll see you in a bit, see how it comes out. Alright, so here we go. Still need to some more sanding, but looking good. Way better than I thought. For being my first time, like I said, this whole build, I have no idea what the fuck I'm doing. But we out here, we're learning. Alright, so this is the first sand down. Came out pretty cool. Kind of happy with the result. So I just got a little divot here, and a little divot here, right there. So I'm just gonna go again one more time, fill it up, and I think we should be good. Right here looks good. This looks a little bit, I don't know. We'll see right now. But this one's cool. Just right here, a little flush right here, and then just gotta sand a little bit more there, here. Yeah, happy how it's coming along. Happy birthday for you. Wonderful. So pretty much painting this, the garnish, and the bumper. Alrighty guys, so it's already dark out. Got my headlamp on, so like if you look, came out pretty clean. I'm very happy with it. For the low, covered all these holes, so I'm pretty excited. So pick this up tomorrow. Alrighty guys, so it's the next day. We are back at it. I taped this up, taped all this up. I did extra layers, overkill on this. Taped all these holes up, taped all this up. So we should be good to go. The bundle looks cool. I'm gonna send it down one more time with 400 before I lay the primer down. They came out pretty straight. Pretty happy with it. Can't complain for my first time. Not bad for my first time, honestly. Okay, pretty happy. It's car's not perfect, so I'm happy. I'm also gonna like sand it down, probably put a little bit more body filler in this. I don't know if you can see the concave in there. Got my helpers here. Yeah.
Had a bad stroke of luck and I'm running out of chances. I'll say no more, but I know I'm lying. My heart crushed, and at this point